안녕하세요, 여러분. Welcome to our grammar series. Today we'll be discussing the topic marker 은, 는 in Korean. Before we dive into its usage, let's first look at what the topic marker is. The topic marker 은, 는 is a grammatical particle used to mark the topic of a sentence. But what's the difference between 은 and 는? Well, 은 is used after a noun that ends with a final consonant, which is called 받침. For examples, 태양은, 이것은, 학생은. On the contrary, 는 is used after a noun that ends with a vowel. For examples, 저는, 사과는, 엄마는. Now, when should we use the topic marker 은, 는? In Korean, 은, 는 is generally used in the following four cases. The first case is for stating general truths and facts. The second case is for introducing someone or something. The third case is for showing contrast or comparison. The fourth case is for marking the main topic of the sentence. Now, I'll show you some examples to help you understand each case better. 거북이는 느려요. In this sentence, the topic marker 는 is used to indicate that we're talking about turtles in general, not a specific turtle. 태양은 뜨거워요. In this sentence, we are talking about the fact that the sun is hot. 저는 유미예요. In this sentence, the topic marker 는 is used to introduce the topic, which is 저. 이것은 모자예요. In this sentence, the topic marker 은 is used to introduce the topic, which is 이것. 사과는 안 먹지만 파인애플은 먹어요. This example shows that the speaker has contrasting preferences between apples and pineapples. 아빠는 선생님이고 엄마는 작가예요. In this example, the parents' occupations were compared to each other. 수지는 뭐 해요? In this sentence, the topic marker 는 is marking 수지 as the topic of the sentence. So the main focus of the sentence is 수지. 수지는 공부해요. As an answer to the previous question, this shows that 수지 is the main topic of the sentence. Now let's practice all the sentences. 거북이는 느려요. 거북이는 느려요. 태양은 뜨거워요. 태양은 뜨거워요. 저는 유미예요. 저는 유미예요. 이것은 모자예요. 이것은 모자예요. 사과는 안 먹지만 파인애플은 먹어요. 사과는 안 먹지만 파인애플은 먹어요. 아빠는 선생님이고 엄마는 작가예요. 아빠는 선생님이고 엄마는 작가예요. 수지는 뭐 해요? 수지는 뭐 해요? 수지는 공부해요. 수지는 공부해요. That's all for today's lesson on the Korean topic marker 은, 는. I hope this video was helpful for you in understanding the topic marker better. Don't hesitate to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. 감사합니다.